sticky rice dessert inside this leaf here. So first, what we need to do is fold the leaf like this. Okay? Then we get a little bit of rice and we put it inside. See? Rice goes inside and then we fold it. Like this. Thai steamed sticky rice dessert. In the culinary class, students will gather around, eager to learn the art of making Khao Tom. They will carefully wrap the sweet, sticky rice and coconut filling in banana leaves, then begin steaming them to perfection. Get ready for the delicious aroma of this traditional Thai dessert tomorrow, as students enjoy the hands-on experience of creating and tasting their own Khao Tom.